Hello, grade 2. Welcome back to our online class. This is teacher Giovanni again. And in this video, we're going to talk about subtraction with regrouping. Let's have example number 1. Subtract 18 from 243 or take away 18 from 243. So to do this, we need the help of the place value chart and the base 10 blocks. In subtraction, we're just going to represent 243 using the base 10 blocks, just like this. In 243, there are 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 3 ones. We're not going to represent 18 using the base 10 blocks because we're supposed to take away 18 from 243. Now let's go to our place value chart. 3 ones minus 8 ones, or 3 ones take away 8 of them, cannot be, right? We don't have enough ones in our base 10 block, so what we're going to do, we are going to regroup 4 tens here. Remember that 1 10 is the same as 10 ones. 1 10 is the same as 10 ones. So we have now how many ones? There are 13 ones, so the 3 here becomes 13, and we have 3 tens left. Okay? So since we already have 13 ones, we already have enough ones to be crossed out. So we're going to take away 8 from 13 ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then count the remaining number of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, 13 minus 8 is 5. For the tens, we have here 3 tens minus 1 10. We don't have to regroup here because we have enough number of tens. So from 3 tens, we're going to take away 1 10. We have 2 tens left. Therefore, 3 minus 1 is 2. And for the hundreds, we have 2 take away nothing, so it's just 2. Therefore, 243 minus 18 is equal to 225. 225. Example number 2. Subtract 134 from 452. So we have here 452 minus 134. To start with, we have to use the base 10 blocks to represent number 452. In this number, there are 4 hundreds, 5 tens, and 2 ones. Now let's start subtracting the ones. 2 ones minus 4, or 2 ones take away 4 of them. We don't have enough ones, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to regroup these 5 tens. Again, you have to remember that 1 10 is the same as 10 ones. So the 2 ones here now becomes 12. There are 12 ones now altogether. And there are how many tens left? From 5 tens, we have 4 tens left. So this is what you're going to do if you don't have enough. Okay? 12 ones, take away 4. Take away 4 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. 4 tens, take away 3. You take away 3, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 hundreds, take away 1. We have how many hundreds left? 1, 2, 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Therefore, 452 minus 134 is equal to 318. We have here 318. Number 3, Subtract 64 from 429. Subtract 64 from 429, or 429 minus 64 equals blank. So first, we have to write these numbers in the place value chart. Make sure to write these numbers properly in the place value chart. And we're going to use the base 10 blocks to represent number 429. In this number, there are 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 9 ones. Look at the ones. We have 9 ones, and we're going to take away 4. We have enough number of ones, right? So we don't need regrouping here. 9 ones, take away 4, take away 4. We have how many ones left? There are 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. Next, 2 tens, take away 6. 2 tens, we're going to take away 6. We don't have enough number of tens, so we have to regroup the hundreds. Remember, 100 is the same as 10 tens. 100 is the same as 10 tens. So from 2 tens, we have now 1, 2 plus 10, that's 12. We have now 12 tens, and we have 3 hundreds. Okay? So 12 tens, take away 6. So we're going to cross out 6 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have how many tens left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. And we have how many hundreds left? 3. Therefore, 429 minus 64 is 365. Number 4. Subtract 267 from 443, or 443 minus 267 is equal to what number? In number 443, there are 4 hundreds, 4 tens, and 3 ones. The ones in our place value chart are 3 and 7. We have 3 ones, and we're going to take away 7. And it can never happen, right? We don't have enough number of ones. So what do? We need the help of our neighbor, the 10. So we have to regroup the tens. 1 10 is the same as 10 ones. Therefore, we have now 13 ones, and we have now 3 tens left. 13 minus 7, or we're going to take away 7 from 13. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then count the remaining number of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 13 minus 7 is 6. 3 tens, take away 6. Cannot be. Again, cannot be. So what do? Regroup. We have to get help from the neighbor. Regroup the hundreds. 100 is the same as 10 tens. So from 3 tens, how many tens do we have now altogether? We have now 13. Look at this. From 3, this now becomes 13. And from 4 hundreds, we have 3 hundreds left. 13 tens, take away 6 tens. Let's take away 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. There are how many tens left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13 minus 6 is 7. And finally, 300s, take away 2 of them. We're going to take away 200s. There's 100 left, or 3 minus 2 is 1. Therefore, 443 minus 267 is equal to 176. Let's have our final example. Subtract 300 from 28. I'm sorry, this is not 300 from 28. It should be subtract 28 from 300. Okay? Or we have here 300 minus 28 equals what number? So first, we have to represent 300 using the base 10 blocks. That's 300. If we're going to look at this table, we don't have tens here, we don't have ones, right? Look at the place value chart. 300 minus 28. 0 ones, take away 8 of them. We have nothing to take away from here. We have nothing to take away from the tens. So what do? We need the help from our neighbor. We need to regroup the hundreds. Remember that 100 is 10 tens. But we're not done yet because we don't have, or we have nothing in ones. So what we're going to do, regroup the tens. 110 is equal to 10 ones. So we have now here 200s. How many tens do we have left here? We have 9 tens. And how many ones? There are 10 ones. Okay? So we have 10 ones, take away 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 tens, take away 2 of them. 1, 2. 9 minus 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 200s, take away nothing. It's 2. Therefore, 300 minus 28 is 272. So that's it, grade 2. I hope you learned something from this video and see you in my next videos. Bye-bye.